Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel Vijay Lakshmi. Today we are going to see another one important question from second semester engineering physics for diploma examinations. Today we are going to see the 14th question. The 14th question is explain the working of radar with a block diagram. The answer is radar stands for radio detection and ranging. It is an active remote sensing device. It works on the principle of radio echoes. Radar has two sections, one transmitting section and two the receiving section. The transmitting section has a transmitter and pulsar, while the receiving section has a receiver and indicator. The two sections are connected through a timer. A single antenna is used for both transmitting and receiving. This can be achieved with the help of a TR switch. T stands for transmission and R stands for receiving. Transmission receiving switch. This TR switch connects the transmitting section while transmitting or the receiving section while receiving with the antenna. We are using a single antenna for transmission and receiving. This is achieved using this TR switch. That is, the TR switch connect the transmitting section when the antenna transmit the pulses and the receiving section while the antenna receives the pulses. Here we have the diagram, block diagram of radar. Here in the transmitting section has a transmitter and pulsar, and the receiving section has a receiver and indicator. Both are joined together by a timer, and the upper block diagram has a TR switch. TR switch is connected to the antenna. When the target hits, when the electromagnetic wave sent by the antenna hits the target, it again returns back to the same antenna and it is received by the same antenna, and the TR switch connects the receiving section to the receiver, and the indicator shows the transmitted as well as the receiver pulse at the same time. And now we are going to see the working of the radar. The transmitter sends out high energy pulse into the space through the antenna. When the pulse hits the target, gets reflected and returns to the same antenna. The receiver receives these pulses, amplify it and send it to the indicator. Because the receiving pulse may not be very high energy, so it needs to be amplified. It is amplified many times and it is sent to the indicator. The indicator is a cathode ray oscilloscope. It shows both the transmitted and the receiving pulses, because when the transmitter sends the pulses, the timer at the same time send the pulse to the indicator also. So the indicator has both the transmitted pulse and the receiving pulse. The gap formed between the two gives the, that is the transmitted and receiving pulse, gives the distance of the target. Thus the radar is used to detect as well as the range the target materials. Detect means when we get the receiving pulse, the object is detected, and the gap formed gives the distance. Distance means range of the target. So radar detects and ranges the target material. I hope you understand this question. This is a very important question. Please learn the question today itself. I hope you have completed all the previous 13 questions thoroughly. Keep prepare for the examination. Thank you for those all who have subscribed. Thank you once more.